welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you guys how I make the best shrimp boil ever. This right here is the best shrimp boiled I've ever made. So if you want to see it, you know what to do. These are the ingredients: ground black pepper, lemon pepper, paprika, Cajun seasoning. And here I have Old Bay with some Louisiana red hot sauce, y'all. This is about to be so good. Okay, here I have about 2.5 sticks of unsalted butter. We have 1 lemon, and of course you gotta have the garlic. We'll be cutting some fresh garlic for this recipe. And over here is the corn and the potatoes I'll be adding in. I cut them very small so they can cook faster. Okay, so here we have the seasoning, the crab boil seasoning for our corn and potatoes. Also, I have 1 yellow onions here that I won't be using all. I'll be using about half of it. And here we have the shrimp. Today's shrimp, we're using Argentinian shrimp with some large regular shrimp. But these shrimp, y'all, they taste almost the same as lobster, but your shrimp. Okay, so let's begin. I'm starting with chopping up some garlic cloves. You gotta have the fresh garlic, otherwise it won't taste, you know, good. You want the fresh garlic flavor in there instead of using powder. I won't be using all of that garlic, by the way, so check the measurement below in the description box. And also, y'all, if you enjoy my content, you want to join the team, you want to join the squad, please be a member of this channel. The link below, it will tell you what members get. So please just check the link below. You'll see what to do if you are a member on this channel. Okay, you will get a lot of good recipes that I don't post on YouTube just for you. Please be a member of the channel to support the channel. And also, y'all can see I just chopped my onion. Make sure you chop them very small. Okay, now here we're going to start by boiling our corn and potatoes. Now I am going to use the crab boil seasoning. Just dump that in there. This will add so much flavor to your vegetables. You see, just add that in there. Also, you can use other dry ingredients. Just pour it in there. The same you use for the shrimp, you can add it to this as well. But I like some flavor to my corn and potatoes, so I added that in there. Let it boil until it's nice and cooked. While that is boiling, I am moving on to the butter sauce, the shrimp basically. I'm going to melt my butter. Like I said, I'm using 2.5 sticks of butter, which is about 20 tablespoons, I believe. We're going to let that melt, then we can add our garlic. For the garlic, I'm using about 3 to 4 tablespoons of chopped garlic. You have to have the fresh garlic flavor. I don't know, some people say don't say fresh. It is fresh to me because it's not powdered. But y'all, just add your garlic. We're going to add the onions in as well. Then we're going to cook it. We're going to cook them. Cook it for about, I'll say about 2 to 3 minutes until they start to be halfway translucent. Then we're going to add the seasoning. I'm using my paprika, my ground black pepper, my Cajun seasoning, and also the Old Bay seasoning. Everything, just dump it right in there. Also the lemon pepper, y'all. If you never put lemon pepper in your seafood boil, shrimp boil, crab boil, whatever, you're missing out. Try it out. It has so much flavor to this sauce. And also, you can't forget the red hot sauce, Louisiana hot sauce. Pour that in, stir it, let it simmer. Then we're going to add the shrimp in. How good this is going to be. I can't wait. So we're going to add the shrimp right in. Y'all know shrimp don't take a long time to cook. So we're going to add it in and cook the shrimp for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they cook. Basically until they start to turn pink. Then you know they ready. But this is going to be so good, y'all. This is the best shrimp boil I've ever made, y'all. When I say this, just trust and believe. It's the best shrimp boil I've ever made. And if you're watching me for the first time, you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Today I upload some bomb recipes here that you do not want to miss. So hit subscribe, hit the bell, so you can be eating good like I do, because I eat good. Okay, full of flavor. My mouth is watering right now as I'm talking to y'all, because look how good this look, honey. But we're going to stir it, let it simmer, and we're going to cook the shrimp. And y'all, look how saucy and buttery this look. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? Food just make me so excited. If your food don't make you happy and excited, I don't know. But by now my potatoes and my corns, they're nice and cooked. I'm going to take them out of the water. Then we're going to plate this bad boy. So now I am going to place my potatoes in a plate and just pour all that goodness on top of it. And this is the best shrimp boil I've ever made. I hope you guys make this one and try it out, because this right here is a winner in my book. It is so good. Try this out. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Ooh, that lemon juice. You can't forget it. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys who take the time to watch today's video. Be sure to like it for me, please, please, please. And subscribe, share it with a friend. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.